Today we're going to talk about how to pack for the Binsa Forest Trail and the Sweet Valley Crossing. Before we get into that, let's talk about layering. What are we going to wear when we are on these walking holidays? So layering is divided into three parts. First is your base layer, then your mid layer, and then your outer layer. All your dry fits will be your base layer. So while you're hiking, you'll be only hiking in your dry fits base layers. And your down jacket and a puffy jacket would be your mid layer, and your wind cheater would be your outer layer. Now let's talk about how to pack all of these things into your main pack and your day pack. How do you do it? So everything you see over here, it's essentially what's going to go into a day pack. A day pack is supposed to be lighter than your main pack because you're supposed to carry this, and all this goes with the porters in your main pack. So how do we pack this? Rain jacket is really essential in the Himalayas. You never know when it's going to rain. So it's very essential you carry it all the times in your day pack, which is over there. Apart from that, your medication. If you have any medication on you, if you're carrying any medication, it goes in your day pack. Other than that, if you have any hand sanitizer or if you have any sunscreen, it goes into your day pack. Your shades, your sunglasses, they go into your day pack. I also carry my gloves in my day pack, just in case it gets chilly. I carry my beanie as well in my day pack, again, just in case it gets chilly. I carry my puffer jacket, my mid layer, just in case if I stop somewhere for birding or anything, if it gets cold, I'll wear this. My water bottle. It's very essential. You can carry a hydration pack or a camel pack. So all of this goes into your day pack. Whatever you need on the trail goes on your day pack, in your day pack. Now let's talk about what all goes into your main pack, the pack that porters are going to carry. So when you reach the campsite or the village guest house, your thermals become your base layer, and your fleece becomes your mid layer, and your puffy jacket becomes your outer layer. And if it's really cold, your wind cheater can also act like as your outer layer. So I, in my main pack, carry a pair of thermals, my fleece layer, extra pair of t-shirts, extra pair of hiking pants, and an extra layer of dry fit just in case I need to change. And I also carry a thick woolen socks. So while you're hiking, you're not going to be hiking in your thick woolen socks because it's going to be very uncomfortable. You always wear your soft cotton socks while you're hiking, and this only comes out while you're in your guest house or in your campsite. And I also carry my towel. Although the towels will be provided at the village guest house and at camping sites, but I choose to carry my own. My toiletries also go in my main pack because I'm not going to need it while I'm hiking. I also carry a pair of shoes. These are my camp shoes. This is what I'm going to wear when I'm in the campsite because I'm going to get rid of my hiking boots or my trail boots, and I'm going to switch to these because they're much lighter and more comfortable than them. And of course, then my wind cheater as well goes into my main pack. And my hiking pole. I usually carry it when I'm hiking, but it depends. If I don't want to use it, I can send it with the porters in my main pack.